second package game.
Okay.
Have people message. Oh yeah. Send a message. Send the princess. We'll find a body. Find accessory. Ooh, I like it. Find an animal. I'm trying to find it. We're out of time. Out of time. Oh no! We're in the time again.
Oh no.
We want time with the characters. Oh no. Now what? Oh, we want to time it is the dolls. Yeah, do. Roll right. We run a time. We win. Oh yeah. We win. Oh yeah, baby. I think we win a time. We win a time. Hey, mommy. Name is Sasha. Everybody on the bed. A Rob. So what's a gift? And put together. So you. Boop. Another one. Fine. What's the dash? Hair. Oh no! What happened? Kevin. Oh, so oh, wait. Mommy, what on the? What on the dress? That's a hoobie. What on the? Wait. Put your cell phone down.
Why?
Down. Put it on your back. Put it on your back.
Why?
Put it on your back.
But why?
Mom, put it back. I want to take a picture.
You don't like pictures?
No. Yeah. Get. Put it back. Put it back.
Where?
Put it back in the bag.
Okay.
Put it back. Put it back.